Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a video on beauty products. So this is my second video on beauty products. So today I'm going to show you some interesting foundations, and these foundations are not like very commercial foundations. I explored this foundation in past 1 year, or let's say 1.5 year. So I just thought of sharing those foundations with you, and I wanted to share the reviews of those foundations. So today I'm going to show you basically three kinds of foundations. The first range of products are alternatives to foundation. The second range that I'm going to show you are compact foundations, and the third range are the real foundations. So let's check those products with me very quickly. So before seeing those products, let me talk to you guys for some time. I mean, so I made 3 or 4 videos for, till now, and I got so many views for those videos, and I'm really thankful to you guys that you are seeing my videos and supporting me, and I'm really looking forward to make more video for you guys. So the only thing that I need from you guys is your kind-hearted support and love. So let's check those foundations with me very quickly. This is the first type of products that I was talking about. So this one is 9 to 5 cc cream. CC creams are complexion correcting creams. So if you have some problem areas on your face, you can try applying this cream. You can apply it under your eye, around your nose, and around your mouth area. So this will remove all the problems that you have and imperfections that you have on your skin. So this is not a foundation but an alternative to foundation. This another cream is also from Lakme range of cosmetics. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect makeup primer. So this is a makeup primer. Makeup primers are generally used to remove the imperfections from your face. Let's say when you put filter on camera, it modifies your skin complexion, or it modifies the smoothness of your skin, or brings some contrast to your skin. So this product actually works that way. I mean, it's kind of filter on your skin. So if you are going somewhere nearby, then you can apply this cream and go out. So these two type products are alternatives to your foundations, and these creams are very affordable kind of products, and you will find them very easily on any cosmetic store. If you're not finding it in any cosmetic store, then you can buy them online, and I'm very sure it will be very easily available. So this is the second type of products that I was talking about. This is a brand called Faces. You do not see many commercials on TV on this foundation, but trust me, this is one of the very good brands that I have come across. Even Faces have a variety of products in their store. So Faces have their polished lipsticks and foundations, and this is compact foundation, and it has medium coverage. It hides all imperfections from your face, and it is buildable, and the shade number is again beige. Because my complexion is fair whitish, so I go with mostly beige foundations. So this one is an affordable foundation, and it's long lasting, and it gives you so much smoothness on your face that you can use it anywhere you go. So this foundation is worth buying, and you will not find it in all the stores. I found it in Lifestyle. I mean, I'm not promoting Lifestyle, but I found this foundation in Lifestyle, and trust me, it was really a nice foundation. When I started using it, I was just using this compact foundation, and then you're ready to go. The only thing that you have to put to set this foundation is little bit of powder, and then it sets very easily. This is a foundation that you generally buy online. You do not have many stores for this foundation, but many malls now have started keeping Nykaa stores in their collection. So this is Nykaa foundation compound compact. You will just have to take little bit of product and apply all of your faces by using some beauty blender or a foundation brush. And this also has some sponge in it, but I would say better to do your makeup with a brush or with a beauty blender, because that blends the makeup very well. And the funda of makeup is that your makeup should blend very well, else it looks very patchy after some time if it's not blended well. So that's why I think we shouldn't be going with the sponge that we have inside it. It's better to use always a beauty blender or a brush, I mean a makeup brush. So this is Nykaa, and again this is in beige shade, and I think it's worth buying because it has medium coverage and it's buildable. And let's check the price of the product. I think the price of the product is not written here, but the shade is 404 Cozy Chestnut. And this foundation does not give you a patchy look at all. Only thing is you will have to blend it very well. So these two products are compact foundations. I think everybody recognizes this foundation. This is one of the affordable and nicest foundation that a woman can have. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. The shade is 230 Natural Buff. This is poreless foundation and it has matte finished. But the thing is, you'll have to put a good amount of primer, and then you can put this foundation all over your face. It really hides all your pores from your face if you have put primer, and it looks very natural on your skin. This is for I mean for the people who have, I mean, any kind of skin. This is suitable for any kind of skin from normal to oily as it is written. So I have a very normal skin tone. In winters it becomes dry, and again in summers it becomes oily. So it's combination skin tone, and I use this foundation whenever I'm in hurry. So I just put little bit of primer on your face and apply it all over my face with a beauty blender or a brush, and this foundation does magic. This is a foundation which is for the beginners. If you are not used to use any foundation, then you should start using this foundation. So this gives a very natural look if you buy the one that is matching with your skin tone. Earlier this Fit Me foundation had very limited range of shades with them, but now India has so many shades from Fit Me foundation, and you can go to any store and just check out the shades that matches your skin tone exactly, and just try this foundation, and you will forget all the foundations that you've been using in the basic range of foundation products. The second foundation is for those people who have very dry skin, because this is a hydrating foundation. This foundation is from Kiko Milano, and you get this foundation only from Kiko Milano stores. The Kiko Milano stores are not very famous in India. I found this from Phoenix Mall, and I was very skeptical for the first when I was trying it, but when I used it for some time, my skin got adapted to it. And I think this is for the people who have very dry skin, and the foundation has medium coverage. It is really buildable, and you should put primer on your face and then go with this Kiko Milano foundation. It is still okay if you do not put any primer on your face and just use a moisturizer on your face and then put this foundation. So I think this foundation is for those people who have dry skin, and then you're good to go. I have shown this foundation earlier in my previous video, so I will put the link of my previous video in the description box and you can check the details of this foundation. The third one, this is again my favorite brand, Sugar. So the Sugar foundation, it's a stick foundation. Let me show you. Yes, so it just opens up like a lipstick. It opens up like a lipstick. This has uh, five or five or six shades in it. Let me show you. This also has a brush behind this, so you can use this brush or you can use your own foundation brush and beauty blender. But my advice is don't go with this brush. Buy your own brush and beauty blender and use that, because this has very high coverage. So once you use little amount of product, it still looks patchy if you do not blend it well. So my advice is use your own beauty blender or brush. This foundation, you will not find this foundation again in all of the stores. I purchased this online from the Sugar website and I was not very sure to go with which shade, so I quickly clicked my photo and sent my photo to the Sugar guys website, and they suggested me that my because my skin complexion is whitish or slightly fair than whitish, then I should go with this this shade. The shade is 32 Cortado. But in these foundation stick you have so many foundations that you can mix and match with your face. It's not necessarily that you will have to use only one foundation on your face. You can buy two or three foundation from the Sugar stick and then put it all over your face, and you can use the darker shades as contouring purpose. So I think this is worth buying foundation. You can use this foundation when you're going to a party because it is a high coverage foundation. It is again very buildable and it's affordable. The price of this foundation is 1200 plus. So this one is my favorite foundation right now. This is NYX Professional Makeup Total Control Total Foundation. So the proper name is NYX Professional Makeup Total Control foundation. So this is a drop foundation. This is a oil based foundation. This is not water based foundation. So I think you should definitely buy this foundation. This gives you very natural look on your face, and this is again affordable. The composition of this foundation is very similar to the one, I think it's Chambord. Yes, Chambord has very similar foundation. I mean, totally completely same look, same cap, same bottle, everything is same. Even the composition is also same, and it gives you very beautiful look on your face. You just use 2 drops of this foundation and you're good to go. You apply little bit of primer on your face and then apply 2 to 3 drops on your face. That's more than enough for your coverage. For medium coverage, 2 to 3 drops are enough, but if you're going to a party and you're looking for a professional makeup, then you should use 4 to 5 drops and apply all over your face using a beauty blender or or a brush. So this will give you a fabulous look on your face. This is my favorite foundation. I think you should. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And the foundation that I am wearing right now is this stick foundation from Sugar. And I had put very little on my face and just tried to cover the whole foundation on my face using a brush, and that was my favorite personal brush. I will show you the collection of brushes that I have with me. So I think you like the look that I have on my face right now. So if you really like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Maitri Let's Live, and I will come up with more videos for you guys. Till then,